Today I did about 26, 28 customers. I don't know, but I did really good. I exceeded my goal. I really want to hit 1K this weekend. We're gonna see how that goes. But anyway, so yeah, I enjoy doing these pop-up shops. It do get annoying sometimes because I get tired of rejection. Oh my god, y'all. You say hit that pin. Turn the light on. Hey. What? So look, I can literally do what I want to do, but I don't do what I want to do. I just do enough.
Go Cinderella, go Cinderella. Orgasm blush, lipstick, Gigasilla. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer.
Hey y'all, it's me Trinity Shawnee's back again with another video, and today I will be vlogging another entrepreneur weekend. Excuse the music in the background. Another entrepreneur weekend. I'm at the mall trying to get some.
So this is my setup. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, basically I am the owner of Shenanigans Hairtique, where I create hair and beard care products. On the weekends I travel to different malls so I can sell my products, get my business out there, you know what I'm saying? Basically, I'm a young baby hustler in the building, as well as a college student and a YouTuber and a whole lot of other things. So yeah, this is me, this is what I do. I make conditioners, oils, edge control, shampoo, all that stuff. You can find it all at shenaniganshairtique.com. Y'all, please check me out, even if you just follow us on Instagram, or that'll be helpful.
I'm at the mall again. Another boss weekend. Hopefully my lips ain't got that little white stuff on the side. You know what lip gloss be doing to people's lips and stuff. But I'm out here walking to Chipotle. It was a little walk, but I got here fast though because I'm a walker. I go to the gym even though I got on a skirt. But yeah, so I'm walking to Chipotle literally. This weekend has been nothing but sweet with me so far. This weekend has been nothing but sweet so far. It's only like, it's about to be 5 o'clock. I'm at like 19 customers. That's better than when I'm on my side of town. You know what I'm saying? Even though that's how it's supposed to be. But I'm just doing so much better for a Friday. Like, my skin is glowing. I look beautiful as fuck. And yeah, I'm a boss. Look, y'all, so I walked to Chipotle. I'm about to walk all the way back over there to the mall where you see the entrance. But yeah, it's a little quick little walk, a little workout before I eat this shit. But I ain't get no chips with it. I really wanted some chips, but I ain't get no chips with it because I need to get my shit together. Like, you say you want to lose weight, but you ain't doing this stuff to lose weight. You keep falling into all these food traps, eating up every goddamn thing. So I gotta get on myself sometimes, for real. But I'm doing alright though. I had a protein shake this morning, an energy tea, and I had some fruit. That's it. And I'm eating this. And yeah, doing these pop-up shops are helpful, but it can be exhausting sometimes. Sometimes talking to people all day constantly. I'm over here crushing this Chipotle. I feel bad. I don't even like guac. This is my first time, third time. First time I ain't like it. I threw it in trash. I'm tired of getting gas. Just tired of getting gas. And gas is so high. So freaking high for water that literally comes out. Like, come on. Like, oh my God. I'm tired of this. I'm tired. This is my second time getting gas this week, so. Hey y'all, I'm about to head back home now. I got like an hour and 45-minute drive. I feel, that's the way I'm holding the camera. I don't ever hold it from this angle. to go home. I'm about to take this 1 hour and 47-minute drive home. I'll wait. You don't know how the teachers be. I'll wait. But yeah, I'm about to take this long drive home. I got 1 hour and 47 minutes. Today I did about 26, 28 customers. I don't know, but I did really, really good. I exceeded my goal. I really want to hit 1K this weekend. We're gonna see how that goes. But anyway, so yeah, I enjoy doing these pop-up shops. It do get annoying sometimes because I get tired of rejection. Oh my god, y'all, I just paid $50 to fill up my freaking car. Jesus, I don't have a truck. I don't have a truck. I just paid $50 to fill up my car. $50.38 to be exact. Yo, the disrespect though, like, no way. New prices. The new gas prices, yo. Hell yeah, I want a receipt. I'm gonna need some more points off this damn receipt. Oh, I wish I would at least went to freaking 7-Eleven. I'm about to take this wig off. But yeah, I had a great, successful day, y'all. I had a lot of customers today. I sold a lot of bonnets. It's back to school time. You know, everybody want a freaking bonnet. I need to be switching to my other phone because I have a new phone, new camera and all. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do an unboxing video Sunday. But hopefully my wig still look good because baby, these curls be falling. These curls be falling. But yeah, I'm on my way home. It's about to be a ride. I ain't gonna get home till 10 o'clock. But it's cool. Yeah, so I came home to a good old plate. A good old plate for my mom's birthday party. Like a party plate. If you black, you know wings, little mac and cheese, some meatballs, some ugly dips, some chips, some ham sandwiches, and then look. And there's more left. And it's more left. And it's fruit. Y'all know I love fruit. So I'm about to go ham in here real quick. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go at the headlight, turning on the red light. I'm about to eat good, y'all. Y'all know how that birthday party food be hitting. This is a mess. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm wrong. Like, I'm so wrong. It's go against all norms for me anyway. Day 2, I got me one of these protein shakes that I always get. Like, And I got a tea. And I got a tea as well. Don't mind my car since me and my mom been doing this canvassing. It's been getting junky in here, bro.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he bet.
Hey y'all, the lighting is not good, but I left the pop-up shop early. My mom's birthday is today, and we're about to go on this boat cruise tonight for her birthday. So yeah, I got a ticket for that, so I'm trying to get back in time. It say right now my ETA is gonna be 8:57 and it's currently 7:19, so that's good enough time because they board the boat at 8:30. Give me time to get dressed, get myself together, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, but yeah, today I almost hit $1,000, y'all. I was like $70 or $80 from 1,000. Got it, but it's cool though. But yeah, like, oh my god, I was really trying to hit that 1,000 mark. Like, I really was. And I could have if I would have stayed longer. Most likely. The mall closed at 8 o'clock. Most likely I could have. But yeah. So yeah, 2 days. Almost $1,000. Okay. Big balls. Not the little one. No, I'm playing. But yeah, it's for my business, baby. It's for my business. I'm just taking it day by day. Now I'm finna turn up with my mommy. I ain't wearing a red lipstick and freaking forever. I might take it off. I don't know. on
What?
That's all.
You think it's that Shein? Oh, this bitch is $70 at
Okay.
Apple
We got it from Shein for 13.
No, P. I had this one to Miami.
Oh yeah, Shein got that.
I got it about what 5 years ago from Holly. The whole store Holly in Hampton.
Ambitious Creations.
I wish I know. Yeah. This is okay, bitch. You got a Shelly on.
Girl.
Oh, you get that much. Cause you got that bottle.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Young on one of they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. The back of a pole. Ice, the bird. Shit, you know, are you?
Hey, you give my camera some love too. To her. Give my camera some love too. Mom, I wasn't even vlogging yet. I just started. But y'all, it's my mama's birthday, and she made me these pineapples with some rum in it, and it got me real hype right now. I'm 21, so look, I can literally do what I want to do, but I don't do what I want to do. I just do enough. Tisha, introduce yourself to my YouTube channel.
I'm that motherfucking baddest in
The baddest in the world. Yeah. Tisha face. Hold on, we're getting our bars. We're getting our bars. We sure is. I need a check anyway.
You gotta stop.
I need a check anyway.
I don't want them like that. Hell no.
It's giving Aruba 2.0. Y'all, this Nikki right here.
No, we don't do
She look cute. Okay, the black all-star baddies. Okay. Peanut, that was not necessary. Pink. Yeah, he was.
I want to picture. Oh,
Shawty, you know that I got that cash. You don't even got to ask. Drinks on the boat is high, y'all. I bet you it ain't hard like how we do it at home.
I need it straight crispy and wet.
It ain't crispy. It's soggy. Yes, it ain't like at home. Jeezy on the ambulance. She like,
And this is why I hate drinking, because I point out everything and I say everything. I'm not a drinker.
Bird ain't like back in the day. So my aunt and she's shorter than me. No way.